I'm Adam Knopf. I'm a freelance producer based in Cardiff. I've produced shows like The Lazarus Project and Lost Boys and Fairies. The benefits of working with the apprentices is that they've had a set sort of standard training before even stepping onto set. So set etiquette, what's expected of you, general behaviour, all that sort of stuff is brilliant, and health and safety training. So there is a general quality that is that you expect or come to expect of an apprentice that comes through Sgil Cymru. It's so important to have apprentices in the industry. We need to continually find fresh talent to kind of come through the ranks with fresh ideas. As I gradually get older, I'm figuring out that it's the youth that come up with fresh ideas and how to make things more efficient and more and just better. So bringing those fresh eyes and from different parts of of Wales and different backgrounds, it's really key because you're kind of protecting the voice of Wales and making sure that there's a real sense of new voices coming through in a range of different departments. We need to continue to kind of build HODs of the future, really. The brilliant thing about Sgil Cymru is it's Wales-based, or the Welsh focus. It works across both north and south, covering the regions and really harnessing the talent from all over, and then helps you, no matter where you're shooting, you can access the talent and the training and support that Sgil Cymru offers. As a producer working across drama in Wales, I've produced for Canal Plus and Disney Plus, the BBC, Netflix, Sky, and on every single job I do, I take on a Sgil Cymru apprentice. So there's no better reason to sign up now and apply, because you do work and the trainees do not stop working, and it's the most fantastic start to your career.